Okay, this video will show how to take the equilateral triangle and turn it into a Tubis module like this, okay? So first thing that we want to do is take a corner and fold it to another corner, forming a line, a fold through the center of the triangle. Okay, so you've got this line here, and now I want to create another line here so I can have an X configuration formed by the two folds. Okay, so I will take the same vertex that I started the other fold with, the last fold with, and instead of bringing that vertex to this vertex, I'm going to bring it to the other vertex and fold again. When I open up the triangle, I should have an X. I'll draw that out. Okay. And what's important is we find this intersection of the two fold lines right here. And we must notice that this section of the line and this section of the line are valley folds. In other words, they fold downward. Okay, because later we're going to have to change those into a mountain fold. Okay, the next step is to take this vertex, again, the original vertex that we were starting with, bring it to this center intersection point of the X, and then fold. Okay, and it should look like this with those two sections that I was pointing out earlier a moment ago on either side of this triangle flap. Okay, now I need to turn this section and this section of the X lines into mountain folds. So I'm going to do that by just manipulating the paper and folding them from that center point upwards, like kind of reversing the direction that the fold has. And I'll be sure to do that on both sides. Okay, so now those are popping up like that because the point is to bring this line and this line together so that they meet right here in the middle. And then I'm going to press that down, okay? Turning those into mountain folds is helpful. So here's the first one I'm going to do. See how I do that? Boom, I get there and hold it in place. I'm going to take the other side and bring that there. Try my best to hold it in place. I'm going to hold it there and turn the paper, push down, and I will have formed my Tubis module, the basic essence of it. Okay. This one perhaps needs to be adjusted a little. Okay, there we go. And your Tubis module looks like that now. And I'm going to take this corner and this corner and fold it up to this corner like that. And like that. And I can just let it go and let it sit. Okay, that's it.